Every Python developer eventually hits the wall. You start a new project and suddenly you're dealing with pip, venv, piptools, conda, or poetry. Dependencies clash, installation takes forever, and your disk space disappears into a black hole of identical node module style site packages folders. Python is the undisputed king of AI, data science, and modern web backends, but its packaging ecosystem has historically been a chaotic, fragmented mess. But over the last year, one tool has completely taken over the conversation. Promises to replace almost your entire workflow, run up to 100 times faster, and tame the chaos forever. It's called UV. Created by Astral, the same team that built the incredibly popular Python linter Rough. UV is an extremely fast Python package installer and resolver written entirely in Rust. Now, when you first hear yet another Python package manager, it's easy to roll your eyes. We've been burnt before. But UV isn't just an alternative to pip. It's designed to be a complete drop-in replacement for your entire toolchain. Think about your current workflow. You probably use Pyenv to manage your Python versions, venv to create environments, pip to install packages, and piptools to compile your lock files. UV does all of this. It manages your Python installations, handles virtual environments, runs scripts with isolated dependencies, and manages project workspaces. It is a single, compiled binary that requires no external dependencies to run. Let's look at the claim that catches everyone's eye: speed. If you run pip install on a massive project with dozens of heavy libraries like PyTorch or transformers, you have time to go make a cup of coffee. If you run UV pip install, it's finished before your finger even leaves the enter key. How is this possible? First, it's written in Rust, which allows for highly parallelized operations. Second, UV features aggressive global caching. It avoids redownloading and rebuilding wheels by sharing a centralized cache across your entire machine using hard links where supported. If a package exists on your system, UV installs it into your new environment instantly. But speed is only half the story. The real power lies in how it changes how we manage projects compared to older standards like Poetry. For years, Poetry has been the gold standard for robust Python project management. It brought lock files and predictable builds to a community that desperately needed them. So why are developers migrating from Poetry to UV? First, Poetry can be slow during dependency resolution on large dependency trees. UV's resolver is a state-of-the-art pubgrub implementation that finds valid versions in milliseconds. Second, Poetry historically used its own custom configuration formats inside piproject.toml. UV, on the other hand, embraces standard track Python packaging. It uses standard metadata formats out of the box. With UV, you get a clean uv.lock file that ensures your team is running the exact same environment down to the last byte. You don't even need to manually manage Python versions on your system anymore. If your project file specifies Python 3.12 and you don't have it installed, UV will download it automatically and securely in the background. With all this hype, you might wonder, is anyone actually staying away from UV? And if so, why? If you look through forums like Reddit and developer blogs, there are very valid reasons why some teams aren't switching just yet. First, maturity. UV is moving incredibly fast, sometimes pushing out multiple updates a week. While that speed of development is amazing, large enterprise environments value boring stability over rapid feature releases. Second, corporate network environments. Many massive enterprises route all package installations through private, lockdown artifact repositories like Nexus or Artifactory behind strict corporate firewalls. Configuring custom index URLs, self-signed certificates, and complex authentication can sometimes require extra configuration tweaks compared to legacy tools that have been baked into corporate IT infrastructure for a decade. Third, the ecosystem inertia. If a company has thousands of legacy repositories running perfectly fine on standard requirements.txt or old setup tools, the migration effort simply isn't worth the time investment unless build speeds are heavily bottlenecking their CI/CD pipelines. Despite those corporate edge cases, there is one group of developers where UV has become an absolute mandatory superpower: AI and machine learning engineers. AI development relies on massive, heavy, complex packages like CUDA-enabled PyTorch, Hugging Face Hub, and LangChain. Building container images for AI apps used to take 20 to 30 minutes just waiting on package compilation and downloads. UV slashes those Docker build times down to a fraction, saving immense amounts of money on cloud computing CI/CD pipelines. Furthermore, UV features a game-changing tool called UV Run. If you want to run a standalone script that requires a specific version of an AI library, you don't need to create a project or activate an environment. You just type UV Run with langchain script.py. UV will spin up a transient, isolated environment, run the script perfectly, and clear it away. It completely eliminates script running clutter. So, should you make the switch? If you are starting a new Python project today, or if you are tired of dealing with slow Docker builds and fragile virtual environments, the answer is an absolute yes. UV is no longer just a hype train. It is a battle-tested infrastructure tool that makes writing Python feel fast, modern, and clean. What are your thoughts? Are you sticking with Poetry, traditional pip, or have you already completely migrated to UV? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video helped clear up the Python packaging landscape. Subscribe for more developer deep dives, and I'll see you in the next one.